Hi there, this week in reading we are going to be doing something a little bit different, but I really think you're going to enjoy it. We are going to be doing animal research. So we are going to pick an animal and then we are going to do research over that animal. What is the purpose for doing research? Does anybody know? I'll give you a moment to think about it and then we'll talk about it. All right. Well, when you do research over a topic, that's because you want to know a little bit more about that topic. So we are picking animals this week. We're going to pick one animal and we're going to research that animal, meaning we are going to learn more information about that animal. Okay? So we may know a little bit of things about this animal, but after we're done researching, we're going to know a whole bunch more. Okay? So that's the purpose for research. You pick something, a topic, and you want to learn more about that topic. So this week, we're going to be focusing on elephants. Okay? So we are going to be learning a whole bunch more information about elephants. Okay? So first, before we begin researching, we have to understand how to research. So we are going to be gathering information. So first, we will make a research plan. And the way we are going to make a research plan is by coming up with questions. That's step 2. Ask questions to research. So step 1 and step 2 kind of go together because our research plan is going to be over our questions that we want to learn about elephants. Step 3, we have to pick sources to use. And we'll focus on that when we get to that part, okay? And then step 4, look for information about the topic. And we'll also go to, when we come to that, step 4, we'll talk a little bit more about that. And then step 5 and 6, which you can't see, is when we present over our information that we found about elephants, our research. So let's go ahead and start talking about questions. What are some different things that you want to learn a little bit more about elephants? I'll give you some time to think about it. What are some things you want to learn about elephants? All right, what kind of things are you thinking? How about what do they look like? This is their appearance. Make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so we have plenty of room. So what do they look like, which means their appearance. The appearance is how an animal, a person, things look. What about their diet? What do they eat? Diet. And the reason I'm putting these little words right here, appearance, diet, is because we are going to be making a table of contents, okay? And we are going to be using this. Okay, what else? How about where do elephants live, right? Where do they live? This is called habitat. So we're also learning some different words right now. Habitat. All right, what else? How about do baby elephants stay with their mothers? So how long do they stay with their mothers? This is going to be called family. And then the last one is, I think we should learn some interesting facts about elephants. Okay, so here's our research plan. This is what it's going to look like. We're going to learn about their appearance. So what do they look like? Their diet. What do they eat? Their habitat. Where do they live? Family. do the babies stay with the mother? How long do they stay with the mother? And then we are going to be learning some interesting facts. So this is our research plan. Okay? Appearance, diet, habitat, family, interesting facts. Questions we want to learn. What do they look like? What do they eat? Where do they live? Do baby elephants stay with their mothers? Okay, so we did step 1. We made a research plan. Okay. Step 2, ask questions, research. Right here. Here's our questions. All right. So what we're going to do now is we are going to prepare a journal so we can keep track of all this information that we are researching about elephants. So go ahead and get your journals out. All right.